Hello and welcome to the vlog. It is Wednesday. Got it right this time. It is Wednesday. It is 4:21 in the afternoon and I guess this is my official announcement, but I joined TikTok. And I said I would never do this, but you know what? I feel like a lot of people are in the same position and also said the same thing about TikTok, but you know what? We're 15 days in. We're doing it. Cody has spent the time to learn a dance with me, so we're about to film it, and then this is going to be my TikTok debut. I actually have 3 videos up on my TikTok already, but I haven't like posted my profile to like Instagram or anything. It's really not that dramatic, but I just like haven't shared that I like joined TikTok, so I want this to be like our first introduction. Naturally, we do this on a regular basis anyway, but we wanted to coordinate outfits, so we're going with some white tops and some black bottoms, and then un-Canadian of us, but we're wearing shoes in the house because we're bored in the house. And so I have my high top Converse on. Cody's just getting ready, and we moved everything from our kitchen because obviously we have limited space to work with here, but we moved our cat litter box. It's like just behind here now. We turned off all the lights because we have this light. If you guys saw like our cinnamon bun video thing that we put on my Instagram stories, it's actually on TikTok, you can go see it. We have this like LED light that is like colorful and stuff, and you can change the colors and also have it rotate colors, so we have that to play with, and that's why all the lights are off. But yeah, man, it's taken us a couple days to get this dance down. It's really fun, and yeah, we're gonna film it and get it up, so if you want to go check it out, I'm sure if you follow me on Instagram you would have already seen it by now, hopefully. Goes well. And I most definitely did do my hair and put a full face of makeup on just so we could film this TikTok. Absolutely correct. Okay. Toilet in the background. That's not cute. So we finished filming the TikTok, did it about like 10 times, and then finally got it with the lights and everything, so hopefully it turns out. Cody's just gonna add the music. I made overnight oats yesterday and put them in the fridge. I haven't made overnight oats in a very long time, and the recipe I doubled and put into jars, and like it doesn't make much, but it's really good. I had that almond milk, blueberry lavender almond milk from Trader Joe's in my fridge, and so I use that as my milk, and it's really good. It has blueberries in it. Just a quick little snack. I haven't eaten much today, and I just remembered that I made these, and it's really good. That's the update.
Hello guys, this is a new day, and this is a new experience. Yesterday you saw us doing something we usually don't do, which is doing a TikTok dance. TikTok, if you will. And today I will be baking, I think for the first time ever. Like, I can't imagine a time where I've actually baked before.
Have you really never made a cake or anything?
I don't.
Like from a box even?
I don't recall. Yeah, so this will be a new experience for me, and I'm taking you along for the ride. We will be making double chocolate chip cookies. Just a random...
Everything has to be double chocolate.
Yeah, everything has to be double chocolate. And Mick will be over here. She's catching up on Animal Crossing. She's a little behind.
Yeah. There's cherry blossoms out. Look at that cute.
Yep, very cute. I have all the ingredients out. The KitchenAid mixer.
Which you've never used before.
Obviously I've never used before. And all my ingredients. So here we go. So currently working on the first 2 steps. We are beating together the sugar, the eggs, the vanilla, and over here we have the oven preheating at 350 degrees. Okay, so now we're about to start mixing in the second round of ingredients into the butter mix. Okay, so we're on the final step of the mixing stage. We need to add a cup of chocolate chips. semi-sweet chocolate chips. I think that's just... So the KitchenAid mixer has done all of the mixing, and I just need to scoop them out and make cookie shapes with them. And just a thought that we had over here at Miss Michaela G Industries that we should reach out to KitchenAid and maybe start a line of KitchenAid mixers. So get at KitchenAid, tweet at them, demand that you guys want the KitchenAid mixer.
This is something I've been putting off. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you will have probably seen me talk about my dying snake plant. It's almost like this snake plant knew what was happening to the world, and it's like, I'm not gonna stick around for this. I'm gonna go. Or it could have been infected with bugs. Either way, it's time to like chop these off because obviously this isn't going well, and like I don't know if it's going to survive, but these are definitely like dead and gone, so I'm gonna chop them. That is the reason. Oh, hell no. There's so many bugs in here. Ah!
Okay, so now we're going to scoop them cookie shapes. Start the time lapse. Alright, here are my scoops. Mick is telling me that these cookies are going to be huge, and I would probably have to agree since this was supposed to make 24, and I scooped a total of 15. So these are going to be big boys. I'm just hoping that they don't bleed into each other. I don't want them to get stuck together, but I don't mind some big boy cookies. Here we go, putting them into the oven. Our preheated oven that was preheated at 350 degrees. Pray for them.
So what I've done is I've taken the original snake plant and I got rid of half of it because that other half seemed to be the side that was infected with bugs the most, and so I chopped it and still have the roots. No idea if this is how I'm supposed to be doing this, but this one looked a lot less infected, so I took all of the dirt out of the original pot and I'm going to replant this half in the soil, and hopefully this is fine and this side won't be infected. We'll see. I don't have that much dirt left, so I'm really hoping that this works. And then I took clippings from the other half that were still good, just like down by the leaf, and I put them in a mason jar because I looked at a YouTube video of how to propagate it, and so I'll just like pray that that one will grow roots, and then I can replant that maybe in another pot or something. I don't know. I'm really just trying anything to keep this alive, and this one has a little mini one growing in the center, so I'm really hoping this will work. Okay.
And as we all suspected,
what?
Giant cookies.
Oh no, it's fogging up.
They're all
they're huge.
one giant cookie.
Okay, I think it's still salvageable. I think you should let them cook all the way through, and then we can just like cut them up.
They only have like 15 seconds left, so.
Oh my god.
Alright guys, I think we might have saved them. Hey, they're looking pretty good.
They smell really good.
They smell really good. We have yet to try them, so that will be the ultimate test, but I think we might have saved them. It was getting pretty rocky there in the middle. But these ones don't look as good, but you know what? You can't win them all.
This is what my snake plant trimmings look like. If I'm doing this wrong and you guys are like plant experts, please help me out in the comments down below. I have no idea if this is right. This is what the YouTube video told me to do, to just put them in water. They said to chop it up, but I think that I might just, you know, leave it like this until told otherwise. But if you have any tips, let me know. Okay, let's do a taste test. Time for the taste test of Cody's first baking. They look like Subway cookies, you know, like flat or like, yeah, they feel, great I touched one.
They're some of the best.
They are. They feel very crisp when I was.
Yeah, I think crispier than I would have liked. Okay. They seem doughy, and then like I put them back in, and then I think I just needed to let them.
They're playing with a bowl.
Oh, it's a bowl. I think I just needed to let them cool, so the second round I just let them cool earlier, and
also you did a great job recovering them from
yes,
the pan, so that was good. I've never had that happen, so I didn't know how to go about that.
Yeah, this is a lesson in never giving up.
Okay, let's eat this.
Cheers. Not bad.
Quite crisp. I think this one's burnt. Maybe I'll
What way?
take some, taste the bottom.
It's like maybe a tad on the burnt side.
The middle's good though.
So, being completely transparent with you guys, the cookies did not turn out that great. After the taste test, the more and more I tried, and Mick tried as well, we realized that they were quite burnt. Hard to tell because they were double chocolate chip, and try to salvage them again by scraping the bottoms, but that just wasn't cutting it, so I just ended up throwing it all out, unfortunately, but we'll go back to the drawing board and try again.
For dinner tonight, we put together some salads. We had some leftover like chicken breasts that we had used up, so I put that in here with some spinach, and then I also roasted up a yam, just kind of put some seasoning on that, pop that in the oven for about 30 minutes, cooked it up, and then there's spinach, cucumbers, yam, and chicken. That's pretty much it. I also prefer to eat my salads out of a really big bowl like this. Cody has the fancier bowl, but yeah, that's our dinner for tonight. This is the first clip of the day, but Cody redeemed himself and he tried making whipped coffee from the viral TikToks that have been going around, and it looks so good. When I first saw whipped coffee on there though, I definitely thought this was peanut butter. Anyone else? Or like a root beer float. That's the color it reminds me of. Anyway, he redeemed himself. This looks awesome. He just like spent, I don't know, like 10 minutes whipping up the coffee, so I'm going to sit and enjoy this. Welcome to Friday. We are filming more TikToks because I had this idea after I saw one last night and I kept practicing and I got it pretty good, but I'm gonna get Cody to help me film it and do it, so you guys can go see that on my TikTok. I was kind of having like a rough morning. We went to the grocery store and another place to try and find disinfectant wipes, and it's just like you can't find them anywhere, and the grocery store is like just so stressful because there's so many people either taking it fully seriously and then some people that aren't are just like in your space. I'm like, if I can smell your perfume, you're too close to me. So I kind of had a rough morning. I was a little emotional, and then I lost the parking ticket, and then I cried, and it was just, there was a lot going on, and so I wanted to make myself feel better, and I knew that dancing and like creating and doing this kind of stuff would put me in a better mood. So we had breakfast, put on some makeup, and now we're doing this. I'm very sweaty because I just filmed one of the other TikToks. I just posted it. I don't normally like film and then post right away, but I decided to do that. It's that Savage one that's going around, so if you want to go see that, it's on my profile now. That's one of those dances I definitely said I wasn't gonna do, but alas, it is up. So now we're gonna film this one. By the time you guys see this vlog, actually this probably won't be up. I'm trying to post one TikTok a day, so this will go up sometime tomorrow. Obviously can't have the song because of copyright, but you guys can go check it out on TikTok to see the full thing. Okay, so we filmed that one, and then I wanted to learn another one. I want to learn one and then teach it to Cody because that's the better option than having us both learn it off the video. I wanted to do this one, but it might be a little bit too difficult because even I found it a little bit challenging. Also, I haven't danced in a few weeks, so that's probably why I haven't like stretched or flexed the choreography muscle. Anyway, my room is an absolute mess. I really got to clean this up. I have to move things so I have like clear space for the back of TikToks. Would happen for videos too. But anyway, I wanted to learn this one. Obviously, again, I'm not allowed to show music, but it's to Run the World, Beyonce. I danced to this in high school actually, but this number is very fast, so I started to learn that one. It's definitely not filmable yet, so I'll probably, you know, revisit this every couple days, and then eventually maybe I will get to filming it. Ooh, that's a nice spot for the camera. Let me know. I'm literally so sweaty. I always get like a white mustache when I'm sweaty. Just cute things. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have TikTok. I know I'm like late to the train, and I know like a lot of people have already joined, and it's one of those things, again, I said I wouldn't do, but I'm doing it. Let me know if you guys have succumbed to the quarantine and downloaded TikTok, even just to view it, because I think it's kind of fun. We're learning a lot, and I like that I can kind of mesh all of my favorite things on one app. I know I watched some video that was like, how to be successful on TikTok. It's like, stick to one genre, and I'm like, I've never done that with any of my content. Why would I start now? So I love having like dance stuff, but then also like eventually I'll do some like beauty stuff, maybe, I don't know, and then fashion stuff. Like, I think it's so cool that all of that stuff is on the app. It makes me laugh, and I like having everything combined and like going through my feed and seeing dance stuff, but also like food stuff and pet stuff and cute dog and cat stuff, and it's just, it truly made me feel so much better and put me in a much better mood for today. So it's a while later. Look at my hair. It looks like Whoville hair.
No, theirs is like way more like pristine. It's like,
okay.
It's wacky, but
it's wacky. Remember Wacky Hair Day?
Oh my god.
We should have theme days.
People are doing that. I know,
yeah.
Like Joey King, like at their house, they always have theme days.
Oh, that's fun. I mean, if you live with roommates, I feel like that's a thing. Anyway, I'm chopping some broccoli, and I'm gonna put some of this tasty, zesty seasoning on it. Cody's making.
You never see tasty videos anymore.
Well, throwback to all of my videos. And then I'm also watching the show or little IGTV series that Miley Cyrus has. She has a bunch of cool people on here. I'm listening to Laylee Reinhardt right now. But apparently Selena Gomez was on one, and like, that's drama, so I want to know what's up. She also had Hilary Duff on one episode, Dua Lipa, like so many good people. So I've been really enjoying these. Like, obviously it's IGTV, so you can go back and watch them whenever. But yeah, I'm starving, so we're making dinner. That's it. Let's get these seasoned. So this I'm leaving this in. Okay, so that concludes this vlog. I feel like watching back, I'm like really excited for you. Can you please stop moving? Shh. I'm really excited for you guys to see this video because I feel like my true personality really shines in this video. I guess Cody's too. But I just feel like this was a really fun vlog, and we took you on a lot of adventures, and you know, within the comforts of our own home, as we do now. But yeah, I just hope you guys enjoyed this video. A lot of you on the last video said that you liked longer vlogs, so it's long again. Hopefully that's fine. I do have a plan for the next vlog. It's going to be like an Amazon haul and like a pamper weekend routine, which I'm very excited to film because Lord knows I need it. Yeah, so I love you guys so much. I hope you're all staying well, staying safe, washing your hands, and I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.